Hello and welcome one and all. Today we are going to cover Jupyter Scheduler. Jupyter Scheduler is a Jupyter Lab extension that can run our Jupyter Notebooks in the background. Jupyter Scheduler runs notebooks on your local system where Jupyter Server is installed. We can run a Jupyter Notebook on a daily, weekly, or monthly cadence. I have received few questions on the video that showcases how to run Python scripts with Windows Task Scheduler, and it is not able to run Jupyter Notebooks. And if you are in the similar scenario, then I have a good news for you. If you want to read about this library, then I will leave the link in the description below. We can install this library with a pip command. Once installed, we can list the server extension and the lab extension. Once this is installed, we can create a notebook job based on our existing notebook. We give it a name and choose output format. And under the schedule option, we can choose run now or run on a schedule. The scheduling option gives us interval and time options. We can also set up schedules with cron expression with the option of custom schedules. Without further ado, let's open up a command prompt and install the Jupyter Scheduler. We enter pip install Jupyter_scheduler and hit enter. This installs the library. Now we can go ahead and list the Jupyter Server extension. We have the detail printed out, and similarly, we can print the lab extension as well. This will become available under Jupyter Lab. I have a Jupyter Lab session open. I'll go ahead and refresh it and see if this option becomes available. Okay, this displays the message that Jupyter Server extension is not found. I will close this session as well as the Anaconda Navigator. So I'll go ahead and close everything and quit the Navigator. I will relaunch the Navigator as well as the Jupyter Lab. Let's see if the schedule extension is working. We have our notebook. I will go ahead and right-click on the notebook and locate the option Create Notebook Job. And it is available. That means this extension is enabled and working. Before moving forward, let me give you the preview of the Jupyter Notebook we will be scheduling. It reads data from a database and splits the data based on a column and saves the output in different folders on a shared drive. We will schedule this notebook to run automatically, let's say every Monday. Let's go ahead and create a notebook job. We will give this job a name. For now, we'll leave the output formats as is, and we don't have any parameters for this notebook. Let's select the Run on Schedule option. Under Interval, we have different options. We will select the week option. And for the day of the week, let's select Monday. And we want to run this notebook at 9 a.m. every Monday. Our time zone is correct, so let's go ahead and create this job. Our job is created and scheduled. If we click on the job name, we get the job details. For example, we get the job name, create date, schedule time, and this is expressed as a cron expression. Let's go ahead and run an instance of this to check if this executes and creates the directories on our shared directory. I can see that the directories are being created, and we can open a folder and view one of the reports. Our file is there, we have the data inside the file, everything looks good. Right now we ran this job on demand, but this will run on schedule and create these directories and files inside them. Okay, after the run, I received the following error that you see on screen. It is indicating that Jinja library is causing some issue here. Let's go ahead and try and reload the job to see if this fixes this issue. We can try one more thing. Let's go ahead and downgrade Jinja's version. So we will install a specific version of Jinja and see if this fixes the issue. Okay, let's refresh the page and see if this error goes away. Still no luck, so I'll close the job window and relaunch it. We can access the notebook jobs from the launcher. So let's open the launcher from the file dropdown. This will open the launcher window and we can access the notebook jobs from here. This is our existing job. the on-run demand we kicked off is listed as a success, and we can see our schedule under job definition, and the error is gone, and our schedule is active for Monday. So this is how we can schedule our Jupyter Notebook with Jupyter Scheduler library. If you want to schedule your notebook, then this is the way to go. This is all on Jupyter Scheduler for now. I hope you enjoyed the session. Like, share, and subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.